So have you ever wanted to learn how to sell a Big Mac? Well, today we're going to find out. I have the McDonald's training companion, and we're going to do some register training and figure out how the McDonald's POS actually works. And if you've ever been curious like me, I just really want to know how it works, what it looks like, what they're pressing on the other end. So we're going to do some stuff like that today. So we're going to get to know our POS. So we're going to take a look at, here is our training companion. Let's get to know the POS. We're going to go through it. I'm probably just going to turn that audio down. There is no real audio. There's none of that iconic machines bleeping sounds. So we'll just click through this. This is just explaining like the register for the point of sale. And here we are, lesson 1. Get to know the POS and let's get to know it. So this is it's telling us about the lunch menu, different buttons, so it's drinks, McCafe, and Happy Meal. So it's saying that there are 2 levels between each menu. So as you can see, we have a breakfast menu, but then there's also a breakfast too. You click the same thing. I guess they don't have room for everything on screen. So we're going to make this order. It's hash brown. And is it on this side? Oh, there it is. There's everything on that screen. Tells us the quantity of the item, so 183, and it tells us that we can clear this just by clicking up here. Awesome sauce apparently, and there's more buttons for us to click for different size options down the side. I don't know if you're like me, this is all very interesting. You're kind of sad. So now we've got all the menu keys unlocked for us, and we are wanting to do a lunch item of some fries, a double cheeseburger, which is that a value item? It's not a value item, is it? I feel like I've seen it. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. There's the double cheeseburger, and the 20 nuggets are on the second side of the lunch menu. Boom. We're already cracking ahead with this. Right. So can we find the next 3 items? So this is where we're going to sell our Big Mac. Boom. There's our Big Mac. A breakfast item. I don't know how the breakfast item is on there. You can't get breakfast after 11 or half 10. What the hell? But I can order it all here. I guess when you're in training, you can have whatever you want to eat. Now here's a few more things. I feel like that is definitely, maybe it's not. Hamburger, where's that? Is it on lunch too? Boom, hamburger. Dessert, apple pie, coffee, boom. Oh, look at that. Good work. I think I've definitely got a career going on here. I'll have a number 1, boom, a number 2 on here, and a number 7. I feel like that guy from GTA now. You know, I'll have a few number 7s, and you know what I mean. Roll the clip. So let's do a few drinks. Get some of that awful Dasani water, a Coke and a Sprite. Didn't ask his size. I guess this is coming later on in the training. And now we get to ask if they're going to take in or take out. Boom, boom. And we are getting ready now to play the game of the POS to see if we know where buttons are. Lesson 1, fast find. I guess this is like Fruit Ninja, but for McDonald's employees. For McCafe. Where is it at? Or is that just on the home screen? I found it. Okay, next key 5. Pancakes, that's got to be breakfast. Boom. Drinks. Big Mac. Next key is hamburger. Where was that? There. Dr. Pepper. Diet Dr. Pepper. McMuffin. Coke. Look at that. Here's the next key. Boom. A cafe. Boom. Large. Dr. Pepper. Apple juice. So that's got to be drinks. Nearly. Iced tea. Big breakfast. Boom. There. Apple pie. Boom. 38 points. We are cracking this. Lesson complete. Boom. Even get out little robot dance. That is it. Order basic taken. Let's go. Meet the guests. The androids have truly taken over. We are now serving the robots. It is a dystopian future. Thanks, Elon Musk. You will need to learn about POS special zones. Ooh. Floating menu. I'll skip through this and we'll get to like where it says and we'll go from there. Okay, let's do it. Order. This guy is ready to order. Looks Android pig. Hamburger. We knew where that was from before. Boom. We have a hamburger and a large Coke. And he wants his order to go. Boom. Order is complete. Each item is default, so he wants 2 medium. Right, so it's alright. Medium fries, medium Sprite, and a medium iced tea, which is there. Boom. And we're eating it in. There we go. Order is complete. I also want to know from you guys if any of you work at McDonald's, is this actually what it looks like? So I've personally never worked at McDonald's. Worked at other places with similar POS systems, but never McDonald's or like any like food place. Find this key. Boom. I want 2 of those. Yeah, I've done it. Or why can't we press 2? And then this medium Coke and a extra. Yeah, so let me get on with it. This thing likes to hold your hand far too much. And he wants to take it out. Wish this thing would let me like get on with it. He wants 6 McNuggets with barbecue sauce. 6 barbecue. We'll add in the sauce. Chill. And he wants a water. And he wants it to go. Boom. Order complete. That was fast. You're quite right. What's cool about just tell me what they want. 6 McNuggets and a bottle of water. 6. What sauce does he want? He hasn't asked for any. Well, there is a missing bottle of water. You can tap it on the display. Okay. There we go. Stop holding my hand. Take out. It will be delicious. You're quite right. Some nugs with some barbecue sauce. Brilliant. One last time. Let's show you the final way. 6 nuggets and a bottle of water. All these people want nuggets and water. What is this? Yes, I found the Dasani key. And now it's saying what they like. I don't know, maybe barbecue sauce is the most important. We're done, order complete. Now let's take a look at combo meals. Right, now take a look at combo meals with medium. Then we've got to press the Big Mac sign. Right, that brings that up. And he wants it with fries or a Coke. So does it come with fries automatically? It must come with fries automatically. You don't let me press the fry button. Look at all these different buttons that are popping up. Ultimate customization. Let's take another look. He wants a number 1 with fries to go. Make meal change. Oh, he wants to make it a meal. Medium fries. Let me press it. And we want a Coke. Boom. Take out. I think I could do this. There we go. Oh, here we go. Is this going to be orders? Damn, where's it gone? I've never saw it before. Hash brown. Boom, we know what that is. Egg biscuit. Where's that at? Oh, damn it. This is shocking performance. We're already failing. Double cheese. There it is. SR for senior. We have our Americano key. Oh, got it just in the nick of time. Manager, I need you over here. Karen's at the till. 4C on our lunch menu. 26 points. We're still in the top. We're still at the top of that game. Only just and so, not as good as last time, but lesson complete. Should we do it? Should we finish our registered training and go on to advanced order taking? So we're just going to skip through this bit and get on to the order taking. So let's customize an item for this guy. So this guy wants a Big Mac with extra pickles. So yeah, this thing that really likes to hold your hand. Like I can figure out how to add extra pickles. And now we take out. Yay. And let's go with our order. This guy wants 3 hamburgers. So where is the hamburger button on here? There it is. With no ketchup. And he's taking them all out. I don't know why you get them with no ketchup. This must be a weird robot. But who am I to judge our robot overlords? This guy wants a small coffee. Is that just on the drink? Why is there no coffee on the drinks menu? That doesn't really make sense. So it's a small coffee with cream. Where's cream? There's cream. And we have it to take out. Creamer is not something I'm familiar with. Right, this guy wants something a bit complicated. He wants a cheeseburger Happy Meal with apple slices. So, a chocolate milk. So we select the chocolate milk first. What about our apple slices? We select our apple slices. And we want to, what is this? Can we make it a toddler toy? Under 3. And this guy wants to take out his order. Boom. Let's make a couple more orders that contain some customizations. This guy wants something for breakfast. He wants an Egg McMuffin with an extra sausage. Add extra. Where's the sausage? That says a more section. I don't know why that's on the more section. I feel like that'd be something people would want more often. And bro wants a large coffee. Yes, I've selected coffee. So find this key. But he said he wanted 2 sugars, so just click it. Alright. And we've added the cream. And this guy's eating in. So now we're going to deliberately make mistakes. Mistakes aren't acceptable, but apparently we're going to make some. A medium Coke. And now we have to avoid the line because he wants a large Coke. Now we have to hit large. Give him a Coke. There we go. He's now got a large Coke and he wants that to go. Boom. We're killing it. We could definitely do this. Mystery keys. Find this key. Where the hell's that key? What the hell? He wants medium Coke, so alright. I get it. We have to find it without being shown the picture. That's fine. He already got an egg muffin and he wants no butter. Boom. So these like preset orders that we're going through. He's missing. He'd like 6 nuggets with his sauce. And what sauce? No sauce. Boom. We're killing this. We could definitely do this. Got a little active missing. Right. So it must tell you if you don't select a sauce or something. I'm surprised. I'd imagine the people at work there probably just ask. This guy wants a number 1. With medium fries, he's got his drink. And he wants a chocolate milkshake. That was fast. Fast food, mate. Default is medium. I'd like a Big Mac with extra pickles. Do I not even get... There we go. Boom. I can't believe all these people aren't getting more complex orders. Like, who are these people? You need at least 2 burgers per order. Jesus. On second thought, he doesn't want orange juice, so avoiding that line. Is that it? You don't want a drink? Congratulations, you've completed every lessons. Talk to your crew trainer about the next steps. That's it, boys. We're in. We've McDone it. Boom. We've currently McDone it. So that's it. I've completed my registered training for McDonald's on the McDonald's training POS app. What do you think of this? I kind of like it. It's a little bit of an insight. I don't think this is something I'm supposed to be using, but I like it. I like learning how different things work. I'm a bit sad like that. But let me know below. Is this actually how it looks at McDonald's if you work at McDonald's? Please let me know. I'm dying to know. Thanks, guys. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.